when purchasing silver or gold, given the premiums on both,
Okay.
is there an advantage to purchasing a silver eagle with a higher premium or a buffalo silver round with a lower premium?
Well, honestly, I own all of the above. So I have junk silver, I have silver eagles, I have buffaloes, I have my favorite, which is my favorite. That's the Austrian Philharmonics, because I think they're the prettiest. But I don't. When push comes to shove, silver eagles are more recognizable in this country, but it's all silver. And that's my barterable position. So personally, I haven't cared about the premium one way or the other, to be honest with you.
Yeah. My opinion on that is if you're buying silver, if you care about the recognizability, right? Like if there's this complete economic collapse and you have to barter with it, then silver eagles are probably, in my opinion, the best way to go in addition to junk silver. But in reality, silver is silver when it comes to acquiring physical silver. Now, when it comes to acquiring gold, then that's a different story, right? Because it's a different tool, it has a different purpose, and you and I are both going to agree that collectible gold coins, you're going to pay a higher premium, but it's worth a higher premium.
Yeah.
And the thing about that market too is the premiums are fairly low compared to historical norms.
Correct.
I mean, I did the math on it, and I mean, some of them are super undervalued. So I would say that in that case, I'm not going out and buying gold bullion. I'm going out and buying what I would consider undervalued gold collectibles, not silver collectibles.
But, let me just kind of add this too, because the fundamental value, the true value of both gold and silver on this manipulated spot market are so severely undervalued that even the premium that you might pay, even the highest premium, still does not take the price above its true fundamental value. So it's a bargain. So that's why I don't really care. Because I know, especially if I can get a collectible, because for me, silver is barterable, so I don't really care what I have. I just have a big variety. But, again, just kind of going back to the gold, if I can buy a collectible coin that has a history of not being confiscated, because there's always a loophole, always, and I can buy it well below or anywhere below the true fundamental value. So if I was paying for one coin less than $15,000 right now, rock and roll hoochie coo, because I know that it's severely undervalued. I'm not saying I haven't, because I have, but yeah, it's not just the premium, because you're looking at the spot market, which is the way we've been trained to think that Wall Street is going to tell you the truth. Like, really? So, yeah, you just have to determine, and I don't care if it's gold or silver or real estate or stocks or bonds or annuities or ETF or anything. You always need to really determine what is the true value of that asset for those that created that asset. And then how has history valued that? And then that tells you whether something is undervalued, fairly valued, or overvalued. Therefore, do you want to buy it, do you want to sell it, or do you want to hold it? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, that's how I feel about premiums. Know the true value of an asset, and then determine whether or not you want to buy it or not. And with gold and silver, they're the only assets that are undervalued. Everything else has been pushed to heights so that you nominally think, wow, look at that stock market. Look at this rally. Whoa, they must have a handle on this inflation. But they don't. And it is, and it is time to reset everything. So, yeah. What's the value or what premium would you put on your safety, on your family's safety? What premium would you put on that? If you like this clip and you want to watch the full video, just click right here. And to subscribe, click right here.